You're going to hate us if we say the same thing again today, but you'll just have to hate us as the market isn't giving us much. We've actually been impressed with the internals of our portfolio. The markets are in the red today, yet China Biotics, China Green Agriculture, Banco Santander, Banco Bilbao, Blackstone, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, Boeing, and even Cisco are up in the green for us in our portfolio. It's not an extensive list, but you get the idea. Everything from foreign banks to U.S. financials to aerospace and even Cisco, one of the most hated stocks in the universe. Maybe it's just Brad that hates them this much. It's nice to see that the internals are pretty good considering how many times the market has attempted to sell off this whole week. To be honest, the week has been phenomenal. We're really happy to see a whole week where we really do nothing, especially after Friday's near 200-point rally in the Dow. Consolidation means those who are done dancing can move off the floor and give their stocks to those who'd like to stay and dance. We have one more week to make it through. Honestly, we're going to get a really good look at a lot of sectors next week. Officially, the bulk of earnings season doesn't start for another full week, but we'll see Monsanto, Mosaic, PepsiCo, RPM Products, Yum Brands, and Micron all next week. That's everything from agriculture to building materials to consumer discretionary to a badly beaten chip name. We'll know a lot more about how the market really is doing after next week. We don't really have a trade today, although grabbing CRUS when it reached $18 to the downside was an attractive pickup. We'll take another shot at it should we see it head there again. We like to use the March 2011-17 strike calls to play it. Right now, we're still in good shape on the 52.5, 50, and certainly strikes under the put spreads we've sold. Our position in CREE will be significantly reduced should the stock finish above 52.5 strike in 16 days. We'll be keeping a close eye on it, as you know. Thanks for tuning in again today. You've been rewarded if you're patient in this market. We got you into the green Plains Renewable energy when it was under 11. It's above $12 now, so if you're a trader, no reason to let gains slip away. We will hold as we're looking for the E85 ethanol story to play out, and we'd like to see a couple of quarters from GPRE before we exit the trade, as they have an enormous amount of their market cap in cash. Anderson's ANDE is close to giving you a better price for the stock than we first identified, although we did initiate the other day, so we'll be looking to add if we get better prices, especially close to 35. Have a great day, get ready for another weekend, and we'll see you tomorrow.